Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to connect Figma to Webflow. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So at the end of this video, we are going to create and convert designs from Figma to Webflow. Let's get started. So first, what we're going to do is to try this extension from Figma to Webflow, which has the HTML, CSS, and website, and click on the try it out button right here. So afterwards, what we're going to do next is that we are going to be connected to Figma, to Webflow, or we're going to connect Figma to Webflow rather. Now here in our design section, we're going to click on the plugin and connect our Figma. This pop-out will show up and then you just need to click on the next button. Follow these easy steps. Alright, and let's connect our account. There, so here we are asked to authorize our Figma to Webflow and which workspace we're going to connect as well. So I'm just gonna connect one of my workspaces right there. Now let's create a Figma design. To create a Figma design, you can start with an titled design right here, or you could also have a pre-design that you do have in your Figma. Either way, it's all good. All right. So say for instance, we're gonna have this one. Now let's just wait. All right. So here we have an untitled design. And then what we're going to do is to click on the plugin button, and then we're going to run our Figma to Webflow extension right here. Okay, once we have run this, what we're going to do next is that we're going to use this layout or the structure. Either way, it's up to you which one you would like to export from Figma. So say for instance, we're gonna have this navigation um, container. I'm gonna put it right here. You could also add like gallery, logo, theme, pricing, and whatnot. It depends on you guys, and it just if you wanna look onto it, then you could do that as well. All right. So I have added some features right here, but in today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can export one element that we have added onto this Figma design onto our Webflow. Okay, let's just wait a while. So since we cannot connect our Webflow to our page right here, you can actually connect your Webflow in the upper right hand corner. There's a drop down right there, and then you can click on the copy to Webflow afterwards. But it's not giving us the option, so we're just gonna wait, and I'm gonna show you another option or another way where you can do that one. So I tried to um, connecting our Webflow, but it does not allow us just yet. So we are going to simply do it manually right here in the left hand side. So in the left hand side, you can actually see all the things that you have added. So say for instance, we're gonna have this navigation container added to our Webflow. So I'm just going to simply right click on that specific element or layer there, and then let's hit on the right click button. Okay, we're gonna run that one again. Okay, so it really does not allow us to. Okay, let's copy that one to Webflow there. So it has been copied to Webflow already there. Just copy all the layers that you have created from your Figma design to your Webflow there. Okay, now after this has been done, what you're going to do next is that you are going to simply open your Webflow design or your Webflow account. Okay, now that we're in our Webflow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus button right here. And here under our layouts, you can actually see the navigation container that we have created or we have had um, added from our Figma design. So there, I'm just gonna add this layer right here. So there you have it. You can simply scroll down and look for the layers that you have created from your Figma design to your Webflow and simply click on it and add it using this process. Just simply repeat. And basically, that's how we can connect our Figma to our Webflow. Now, let me tell you a reason why we try to link our Figma to Webflow. So, with linking or connecting your Figma to Webflow, you can actually use Figma for, designing your templates because Webflow actually focuses more on building the functional websites. So here with Figma, you will actually help your website become more attractive and more beautiful in a way that you have created from Webflow. Another thing is that it's very easy and simple to actually create designs from Figma. And there are actually a variety of, designs from your Figma to your Webflow. All right. So there, that's how we can connect our Figma to Webflow, and at the same time, that's the reason why we should connect our Figma to Webflow for better graphic designing into our websites. So I hope this tutorial has helped you out in creating your website and as well as making it functional in a way. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!